Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I'll show you how I decided to cut my own bangs at home. I think quarantine made us all a little bit crazy, so I decided to find something to do and I cut my own bangs, or fringe, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. This is the actual result. It's been like a week, I would say, 2 weeks, and it's grown a lot already. Like, look, it's in my eyes. But I decided I'm gonna let it grow and then decide what I'm gonna do with it. I hope you enjoy it. It's a pretty easy tutorial, but please do not do it alone if you don't feel confident, if you don't think you can do it. And an important thing is, do not cut it too short. Start cutting it longer and then shorten it as you go, because that changes a lot, and if you cut it too short in the beginning, you might regret it later. It takes a while to grow, so it's been 2 weeks and it's grown, I don't know, like 2 inches. But I really like the results, and I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. You'll be helping me a lot if you do that.